Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Another important thing is that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to recreate all of my steps. If not, you will have to either sign in or log in, because without it, you will not be able to use the Google Play Store. If you're not sure how to do it, just check our other tutorials. Alright, so after entering, we have to tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all installed apps. So all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 39 updates to download. And of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps and update all of them. But if you don't want to, you can choose them. So let me pick, for example, the Google Chrome, maybe Google Drive, and maybe Google Messages. So after marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically, you do not have to do anything more. Just wait patiently, and everything will go in the background. So of course you can turn it off and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.